are going to love the 2019 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, LED headlights, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, sport package, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.